Adjectives are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. For examples, the colorful balloon floated over the house. The big dog chased the cat. A yellow butterfly is sitting on the red rose. The tall giraffe is eating green leaves. Now I move on to adjectives of quality. What kind of? It is very important in adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality describe the quality of a noun, its shape, size, color, state, or condition. They answer the question what kind of. For examples, Raj is an honest man. I saw a beautiful butterfly. This is a heavy table. Adjectives of quantity. How much? Approximate quantity. Adjectives of quantity specify the quantity of the noun being talked about. They answer the question how many in the case of countable nouns and how much in the case of uncountable nouns. For examples, Alvin ate some rice. Arun was brilliant enough to pass his exam. Jovin has taken half cup of milk. Demonstrative adjectives. Here, which is very important. Words that are used to point out a specific person or things are called demonstrative adjectives. For examples, this, that, these, those, later, former, such, so on. I love such things. Here, such is a demonstrative adjective. Susie was a former university professor. Here, former is a demonstrative adjective. The later half of the game was very exciting. Here, later is a demonstrative adjective. Interrogative adjectives. Here, very important is ask questions. Words that are used with a nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. For examples, what type of dog do you have? What time will you be arrived for meeting? Whose pen was left on the table? Possessive adjectives. Here the main indication is ownership or belonging to someone. Possessive adjectives are used to show possession or ownership of something. While we use them when we refer to people, it is more in the sense of relationship than ownership. Possessive adjective shows something belong to somebody. For examples, my car is very old. Here, my is a possessive adjective. Our dog is black. Here, our is a possessive adjective. His book is on the table. Here, his is a possessive adjective. Adjectives are number. Here, how many is very important. Word which express the exact number of nouns or pronouns and their position or place in certain order is called adjectives of number. There are four types here: indefinite adjectives, distributive adjectives, cardinal numbers, and ordinal numbers. First, I will say about indefinite adjectives. Indefinite adjectives don't specify a particular number. Next, distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are used to refer to a person or thing separately. Cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers mention in the exact number of the noun. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers mention rank, position, or order of a noun is a series. For examples, 1 or first, 2 or second, 3 or third, so on. Each, no, several, all, some, so on. A year has 12 months. Here, 12 is an adjective of number. There are 6 members in a team. Here, 6 is an adjective of number. Proper adjectives. Proper adjectives originated from noun like proper noun, proper adjective always begins with capital letter. For examples, Indian, Russian, American, so on. I love Indian writers. Here, Indian is a proper adjective. There are many African restaurants in London. Here, African is a proper adjective. My uncle married an American woman. Here, American is a proper adjective. Emphasizing adjectives. Adjectives which are used to emphasize our opinion or stress about something. For examples, absolute, complete, pure, real, total, true, utter, so on. Queenie has the key to absolute power. Here, absolute is a emphasizing adjective. Rajkumar took another hour to complete his homework. Here, complete is a emphasizing adjective. Formation of adjectives. Some adjectives are formed from nouns and others are formed from verbs. Look at here some examples. Nouns. Anger, it is a noun. It changes into adjective angry. Danger is a noun. It changes into adjective dangerous. Wind, it is a noun. It changes into adjective windy. Then are the next examples. Verbs. Accept, it is a verb. It changes into adjective acceptable. Play is a verb. It changes into adjective playful. Enjoy is a verb. It changes into adjective enjoyable. Now I am adding some of the suffix. Grace, it is changes into graceful. Skill, skillful. Compound adjectives. A compound adjective is formed when two or more adjectives are joined together to modify the same noun. The words are usually separated with a hyphen. For examples, Diana is a part-time worker. Shanti submitted a 6-page document. Harish adopted a 2-year-old cat. Arul is a well-known writer. Order of adjectives. When more than one adjective is used to describe a noun, it usually follows a particular order. Generally, the adjective order in English is quantity or number, quality or opinion, size, temperature, age, shape, color, proper adjective, often nationality, other place of origin or material, purpose or qualifier.